Well, you've already seen the tutorial on how to create the videos for that niche. And basically for this niche 2, you have to do exactly the same thing as for niche 1. You're gonna have to do the lives afterwards. You're gonna have to do the lives. You're gonna download 3 videos. You're gonna put it all together in an hour and a half, and you're gonna put it on loop. You're gonna do a live stream on loop, and you're gonna put a clickbait thumbnail and a clickbait title. And a lot of people are going to get into that live, and you're going to generate money with the live, and you're also going to gain traffic to your next videos and many more things. Well, to set up the live stream, you're going to go to OBS, then you're going to go here, you're going to add the source, in source, you're going to add media source, then you're going to go to properties, and here you're going to upload the file, and here you're going to activate the loop. Then you'd go here to start streaming, and there you'd set up everything. You'd put the thumbnail in, a clickbait title, and everything. So there you can gain a lot of traffic, since the live stream audience is totally different from the long form video audience. So you're gonna gain a lot of traffic. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the live stream strategy, that this isn't something you only have to do on the monetized channel. This you have to do also on the channels you create from now on that you're going to scale. When you create a new channel. The first thing is the monetized channel, where you're going to do the 2 strategies I mentioned before. Create shorts, create live streams, and create long form videos that you're going to have to do whether you want to or not, because it's what's going to give you results, since it's already tested with a lot of people. Maybe it's not something super advanced, but honestly, it's what's going to work for you. And that, well, when you start a new channel, you're going to do the same thing. You're gonna do a live, probably monetize with a live, or with 2 lives, you'll already reach the monetization requirement if you do exactly the strategy I've shown you. Now, there are several things you have to keep in mind when doing lives. The first one of all is never upload a video at the same time you're doing a live, because that can hurt your channel. I recommend that you do the live while you sleep, and then when you're awake, you do the video. So the video never coincides with the live. Then the second thing I recommend is to try to change the videos every 3 live streams. For example, like I already told you, you have to first upload 3 videos to your channel, 3 long form videos, and then put them all together in a live. You put them all together in a live, and it's a video of about an hour and a half. So that video, you do a live stream on loop with OBS. And then when you want to do another live stream again, you're going to recycle the same video twice. But then the next time, you're going to have to, instead of adding 3 videos, you're going to have to add 3 different videos to not always repeat the same thing. And you're going to add 3 different videos. And then when you want to do another one, you're going to add 3 different videos. And then later, if you want, you can add 9 different videos if you want. But always try to change the videos and have variety so it's not always the same. Also try to change the title and the thumbnail so it's not always the same live, and to increase the CTR and YouTube's trust, and many more things. Don't overdo the live streams. They have a lot of potential in these clickbait niches, which is what I'm teaching you. This course is focused on clickbait niches, and this is the way you make money, since it's something urgent. It's like news niches where they transmit urgency and things that just happened. So if on top of that, what you're doing is a live broadcast, well, you're going to make a lot of money, because thousands of people are going to get into that broadcast, and you're going to monetize through ads, and you're also going to gain watch hours. If you're going to start a new channel and you want to reach the watch hours fast, this is a trick to reach them in a day. You can monetize channels in a day with this strategy, which is a strategy that nobody is going to teach you honestly, because it can't be done with all niches. It can only be done with clickbait niches. Since if you do a Minecraft stream, well, nobody is going to get in. But if you do a stream where you show, well, a clickbait thumbnail like the ones we've made before, and putting that Iran just attacked the US, well, thousands of people are going to get in. They're going to see ads, they're going to increase your watch hours, they're going to subscribe, they're going to see future videos, and you're going to gain a lot of traffic. And that's what we're interested in, gaining traffic. So this is the strategy for the live streams. They're really easy to set up, and that, honestly, I recommend this. And this is a secret that few people share.